Are you looking for the latest and greatest gadgets? Look no further. We've got you covered with 8 amazing gadgets that are sure to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Check them out today. The CRKT folding pocket knife is designed by Kit Carson, a legendary knife maker who created the popular M16 series of knives. The knife has a sleek and minimalist design that is easy to carry and use. The blade is made of 12C27 Sandvik steel, which offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The CRKT M16-02KS folding pocket knife is a great choice for anyone who needs a dependable and functional EDC knife that can handle various tasks around the house, in the garage, or at the shop. It is also suitable for hunting, camping, survival, outdoor and everyday carry. If you are an adventurer who loves exploring remote places, you know how important it is to have a reliable way to communicate in case of an emergency. That's why you need the ACR RescueLink View, personal locator beacon, a small but powerful device that can send your location and distress signal to a worldwide network of search and rescue satellites. Are you looking for a unique and stylish way to store your cards and cash? You might be interested in the M1911H, the world's first reloading card holder. This is a card holder that mimics the shape and function of the M1911 magazine. It can hold up to 6 cards and some folded bills. Also you can use it to store up to 20 business cards, or 6 cigarettes, or any combination of cards and cash that fits inside. And it has a spring-loaded mechanism that ejects the cards with a push of a button. If you're looking for a smart ring that can help you improve your health and wellness, you might want to check out the Oura Ring. This sleek and lightweight ring uses advanced sensors to measure your sleep quality, heart rate variability, body temperature, activity, and stress levels. The ring analyzes your data and gives you personalized feedback and guidance on how to optimize your daily choices. You can also track your trends and progress over time in the companion app. Are you tired from work from 9 to 5? Maybe is it time for camping? Then look out for a Skybed Hammock. It uses a fully patented asymmetric design that creates a spacious and level sleeping surface. The Skybed is ideal for camping, backpacking, hiking, or just relaxing in your backyard. If you are looking for a smart and elegant way to organize your keys, you might want to check out the Bellroy key case. This is a hardshell leather key organizer that lets you flick out your keys and open the door, all in a single twist. The Bellroy key case is a durable and compact device that can hold 3 to 5 keys. The DJI Action 2 dual-screen combo cam is not your ordinary action camera. At first it has a 4K/120fps video resolution that delivers smooth and detailed footage, with a super-wide 155 degrees FOV that captures more of your surroundings. A magnetic design that lets you snap and switch between different modules and accessories, a power module, a waterproof case, and more. A dual-screen feature that lets you see yourself on the front touchscreen while framing your shot on the back touchscreen, or switch between them with a simple swipe. A Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady technology that detects and corrects camera shake and rotation in real time, ensuring stable and level videos. A drop-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof camera unit that can withstand harsh elements and submerge up to 10 meters deep. If you are a fan of history and military aviation, you might want to check out the Warhawk EDC flashlight by Blackhawk. This is a unique collectible mini WWLL reminder flashlight that is inspired by the iconic Peak 40 Warhawk fighter plane. The Warhawk EDC flashlight is not just a novelty item, but also a powerful and practical tool that can light up your way in any situation. Which is made of durable aluminum alloy and has a water-resistant rating of IPX8. It is not only a flashlight, but also a piece of history that you can carry with you.